Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm sharing a very easy recipe of homemade potato chips, which is most favorite and popular snack across the globe. It's going to be easy, economic and hygienic as well. And I'm sure potato chips is loved by all. Firstly, I have washed and peeled the skin of potato. Now we'll slice these potatoes to thin slices using a handheld slicer. I have used here thinnest part of the slicer to slice them. Thinly slice the potatoes across the width. Now add these potato slices to a clean water. This is normal plain tap water I have used. Wash the potato slices in water for about 2 to 3 times until the water runs out clear so that it will remove the excess starch from the surface. Now once the water has turned cloudy, place the potato slices into another large bowl containing ice cold water. Basically we are doing this because in cold water the potato will not change the color, they will remain white, and when we'll fry from cold water to hot oil, they'll become more crispier. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar, let these potatoes remain in the freezing chill water for about 10 minutes. And then later we'll fry them. Heat oil in a frying pan. Once the oil is heated, lower the flame to medium. Now just drain the excess water from the potatoes. No need to dry them in any towel or any tissue paper. And just drop a batch of potato slices. Be careful, stay away, water from the potatoes will splatter. So actually when the potatoes from cold water get into the hot oil, they will become firm and more crispier. You need to add the potatoes in batches, just don't crowd the pan. Now you can see oil has started to bubble. Let them fry. Now continuously keep tossing up the potato slices in the oil until they turn slightly golden or crisp. Let it fry till the sizzling noise stops and bubbling of oil settle down. Fry the potatoes until they become golden, and the edges you may notice have started to brown a little. Wait for 2-3 seconds, remove and drain the excess oil. Remember, before adding the next batch for frying, wait for a few minutes. Make sure that the oil is back hot again. Else not, your potato slices will become soggy and will not be crispier if the temperature of the oil is low. Now we'll season the chips with salt and a pinch of chili powder as per your taste. Toast it up and enjoy plain, salted or flavor with pepper or red chili powder. That's it. A simple and very easy recipe of homemade potato chips is ready. You can store them in airtight container and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed watching this video too. If so, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more notification. Meet you all with yet another recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.